How's it going, everybody? It's Ramos Sanchez from Board at Home. So I'm 3D printing another part for the droid. This is gonna be the restraining bolt, and it's almost done. I'm running out of filament, so it should go through fully. Excuse the table, it's so dirty. Here's part of my other R2D2 stuff that I have, or R5 droid parts all over the place. I also have a Tom servo that I need to be working on. That's gonna happen hopefully after I finish the R5 droid. And here I have some other parts I painted chrome. More parts here, more under that board. Everything just dry, so I just brought it inside overnight so it won't stay outside. And my original R2 and more parts for the R5 droid. So yeah, pretty busy. Trying to keep everything organized in my mess. Alright, everybody, it's Ramos Sanchez here. So excuse the wire mess. It's just I'm trying to prototype. I had a saber tooth 225, and I think I had burnt it because I had it replaced, and now I just got a new saber tooth that came in. So I'm running the Shadow Padawan system, so everything got a couple of sounds on there. So it's working, and then the cool thing about it is now I have motors running. So, and then the dome. So I do have two remotes. They're both working. They're both paired up. So now I gotta clean up the mess, get the wires all the right length, everything bolted down. I may use a different board. This is what I use for R2D2, and I got this from Jason Payton, who was doing a different robot. So figure might as well use it. I gotta put power switches, on and off switch, and all that, and work on a couple of little things. But at least this is going. I like this. Motors are working. So I just gotta figure out which one's gonna go on what side, but very cool. All right, guys. What's up, everybody? It's Ramos Sanchez from Board at Home. So I'm working on my Arduino board, and I added 5 LEDs and a little sound module. So now every time I talk, the LED will blink. So these are gonna go into my R5 dome head. I may make the other lights blink later on at random, but for now I wanted to have one that shows whenever the droid is making noise. Alright, I got a little power source here of a 9-volt battery, and just gotta tidy everything up and attach to the dome. Alright, this is Ramos Sanchez from Board at Home.